Hello everyone, my name is JVM-Based and I'm a PhD student at the University of Texas at Dallas. I'm presenting PRF, a framework for building automatic program repair prototypes for JVM-based languages. Automatic program repair, or APR for short, is referred to as a set of debugging automation techniques that, given a buggy program, either directly fix the bugs or help the developers during manual debugging. Generate and validate refers to a class of APR techniques that attempt to fix the bugs by generating a pool of program variants and checking the resulting variants against certain checks or tests to identify those that pass all the checks. Such program variants are marked as plausible fixes and are to be reported to the users for further examination. Specifically, given a buggy program, these techniques apply a fault localization technique to identify potential buggy locations. Such techniques go about fixing the bug by applying a set of program transformation rules on the identified suspicious locations to obtain a pool of program variants. The program variants are validated using certain checks or tests to find the transformations that pass all the checks. Ideally, we would use a technique that could accurately model the user requirements such that passing all the checks could guarantee a genuine fix. In real-world situations, though, such specifications are usually absent, and we use test suite to approximate user requirements such that a patch passing all the test cases is believed to be a genuine fix for the bug. However, due to weak specification problem of test cases, many other generated patches happen to pass all the test cases without fixing the bug. Such patches have to be manually examined by the users to find and adopt genuine fixes. Therefore, API pipeline usually includes a patch prioritization and/or filtering phase to reduce manual effort. By carefully examining the architecture of the existing generate and validate APR tools, we realize that the operations carried out by these systems can be abstracted in more or less the same way that we show in this diagram. And different APR techniques differ in the way they generate patches, and the rest of the steps are re-implemented when constructing a new APR prototype. The goal of PRF is to factor out the common steps and implement them once forever. The APR tool programmer can construct a prototype by just making a patch generation plugin, optionally fix report generation plugin, and configuring other components. In this way, the APR tool programmer can focus on constructing more sophisticated patch generation, prioritization, or classification algorithms. Furthermore, a robust framework results in robust APR prototypes, which in turn help reproducibility of experiments. Last but not least, having such a framework will make certain empirical studies simpler, as we can easily compare or even combine different patch generation algorithms in the same context. In summary, PRF provides the developers with spectrum-based fault localization information at different levels of granularity. It also provides a fast, safe, and accurate patch validation facility. PRF's patch validator implements a work stealing algorithm which amortizes the overhead induced by JVM session initialization and process creation needed for isolated, safe, and accurate patch validation. The framework also offers various profiling and analysis tools that might come in handy in certain applications. We are constantly working on PRF to make it more robust and faster. The system is publicly available in the following GitHub repository. PRF comes in the form of a Maven plugin, so it is applicable to all Maven-based projects. Now let's watch a demo video to see how we can install and use PRF. This is the official website for the project, which contains the source code of the system and detailed instruction on how you can use it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install PRF, configure Caption patch generation plugin, and apply it on a buggy project included in this website. I'll be using a MacBook for this purpose. Since in this video we are using Defects4J projects and these projects are compatible only with JDK 7, you will need to have JDK 7 on your system. You will also need to have JDK 8 installed on your computer, as we are going to run Caption patch generation plugin, and Caption is written using JDK 8. Last but not least, you will need to have Git version control system as well as Maven build system installed on your computer. Before you download, build, and install PRF on your computer, you will need to set the value of the environment variable Java home to point to the location of JDK 7. On my computer, this directory right here happened to be the location of JDK 7. So I'm copying and paste the following command into a terminal window to set the value of environment variable Java home. The next step is to download the source code of the system on your computer and build it. For that, I'm using the following command. Once you download the project, you can navigate to the project directory like this. Then you can use the following command to install the system on your computer. Once you see this build success message on your screen, PRF is ready to use. Now I'm going to show you how you can use PRF to apply caption on an example buggy Maven project. In this video, I will try to fix chart 1 from the well-known defects4j bug database. In order to do that, you will need to navigate to the examples folder and to the bugs directory, like this. Please note that you will need to determine the location of JDK8 so that PRF will be able to run caption plugin. To do so, you will need to specify that within the POM file for the buggy project and under the plugins configuration tag. This path right here happened to be the location of JDK8 on my computer. After adjusting the POM file, you will need to use the following two commands, one after the other, to build the project and invoke PRF. It will take some time for the system to invoke caption plugin and generate patches and run the test suite to find the plausible patches. After it is done, you will see the fix report right above the build success message on your screen. As you can see, the fix report contains the buggy file name as well as the fixing patch. Thank you.